Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on PC, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Since Instagram is a mobile application, we need to download it through an app emulator. In this video, we will be using BlueStacks. So open BlueStacks on your PC and tap PlayStore. So similar to your mobile device, type Instagram on the search bar and enter. Once the search results are shown, tap Install. Now that Instagram has been downloaded, open it. You can now freely use Instagram on your PC. And that's how you download Instagram on PC. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.